AboitizLand, developing land for industrial, commercial, or residential use always goes hand in hand with protecting the ecosystem in and around that land. That often means respecting and following the natural terrain whenever possible. But in the case of the Seafront Residences, it also means preserving an endangered creature's way of life. On the shores of the Seafront Residences in San Juan, Batangas, caretakers have discovered sea turtle or pawikan eggs inside nests dug out of sand. AboitizLand has learned that pawikan make their annual pilgrimage to the area between the months of October and January, laying their eggs in the darkness of the night. AboitizLand has taken the initiative to educate the community on the importance of preserving the pawikan's ecosystem and allowing life to take its natural course. AboitizLand also conducts a regular review of Seafront Residences' master plan in order to ensure that the area's ecosystem continues to thrive. AboitizLand, advancing business and communities not just for humans, but also for pawikan.